So it's been a week and we kind of didn't know whether the radiator had fixed itself or not fixed itself, whether it was leaking or not, but it is definitely leaking. We got a new one, so we'll be fitting that later, but first, some odd checks for the MOT and some bits for that. Hello, it is now day 2 of fixing Kiki. Weekend 2 for us. I'm not doing too well mentally and Tourette's wise, so we'll see how long I last. But the radiator needs changing today. It's leaked a lot. She had a little accident on the driveway. So yeah, it should be. Should it be fairly easy?
Should be pretty straightforward, yeah. Hopefully.
I feel like I should ask you like another interview question. Are you looking forward to this?
Oh yeah.
That was a bit creepy. What are you doing? Pip's just watching a quick YouTube video on how to do it so that he can then tell me how to do it. We are watching a mechanic in the wild learn how to do the job before we do the job. Research is an important part of this mammal's life. He's seen us. Let us hide. Fan belt change. Change of plan. We're doing the fan belt first. Okay, so this is the alternator, and this is the pulley that we need to replace because it's this is the belt that we need to replace, and we will undo the bolt that's there and slacken off the alternator, take off the belt, put the new one on, push that up. So it's got a good tension on the belt, do it with the bolt. Job's a good one. Fixing the exhaust, not fully fixing, but kind of fixing good enough. Okay, so this is the joint where it's rusted up, so that will need paste. And then what else did we say we were going to do?
And we need to tighten that exhaust clamp if it'll tighten.
And we need to tighten this exhaust clamp if it'll tighten.
Show you.
Because Pip will show you.
It's easier to shake it from where you are than where I am.
Did you see
But
it
it's loose
flex?
there.
I'm not sure they saw it flex. So yeah, we're going to wait on the paste because we don't have that. Might put some Jubilee clips around this area to make sure this is tight, and try and tighten that exhaust clamp up here. This is the exhaust clamp. So that's the exhaust jobs to do, and then we'll get onto the radiator, or maybe do the radiator first. Who knows? Okay. And the final thing we had to do to get this car, Kiki, ready for its MOT is change that radiator. We are like, I don't know, a couple of hours in. We've done the belt, touched the exhaust, we took the fan off. We are now ready to do the main job we started to do, the radiator. Yay! Give me a whoop whoop, Pip.
Whoop, whoop.
How am I getting dripped on? Okay. So far, there's a lot of drippage of coolant and water and other stuff on me. So yeah, we haven't even dropped the water yet. What'd you say? It's time. Is it cookie time?
We got cookies.
No, I really wish we did.
What a strange thing to say.
Oh, did you get all excited?
Yeah.
Oh.
Instead it's just hard work time. Yay.
I want cookie.
Do you want to do this? Or should I do this?
Yeah, what are we doing? Dropping it? Oh, I want to... From the bottom? From the top? You crazy animal.
Well, I don't want to get wet.
Crazy animal.
If you want to get wet, you can do it.
I'll do it.
I'm just checking it's the right size socket. Okay.
From the bottom?
Aye, wherever you feel you can do it. You've got to be able to get it back on as well.
I didn't expect it to do that.
You might have to hold the radiator as well. You keep putting your arm in the shop. I don't think you're undone enough.
I don't think you're undone enough.
So push the clip down the pipe.
I'll prove you wrong. There's a spider's web here, and I hope there's not a spider. Oh, sorry, Radiator.
I'm really sorry for you, they're really sharp. Could be water in it.
Ugh. Okay.
But there wasn't.
It wasn't.
How are you feeling? Good about everything?
It's wet.
Wet.
Damp.
Okay, well,
So you should say it should just lift up?
I think so.
You think so? Oh no, so.
Maybe the horn might be in the way.
Are you taking it out the bottom? No.
I am, yeah.
Yay. Is that right?
Yeah, I just wondering what this plug is. Oh, it's still the fan plug. It's just been pushed up. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
It goes in here.
Uh-huh.
Shall I attach it?
I would probably wait till you've done everything else, but you can attach it if you wish.
I already attached it.
Very good.
I have a PhD in fluid mechanics. I am Dr. Fluid Mechanics. And this is how I put coolant into the radiator. I'm close, am I not? Oh god.
That's what it is.
How bad is
Babe,
it?
that's awful. Please stop.
Okay, do it. At least the belt's going.
Oh yeah, push it out.
And with that, it's finally ready for test drive. So we went to a fast food chain. Thought we'd give it a good run. Went to a fast food chain, got some ice cream, and I ate it all while Pip was double checking around the car that it was good. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end. Think about subscribing if you want to see me fix, drive or race classic cars a little bit more. Here are some videos that YouTube think you might like. See you next time. No, you explain yourself. Explain yourself. Explain yourself. Explain yourself.
I don't want to.
Explain.
No.
What are we doing?
No.
Gonna run around with you with a Kiki. You light up my life. Woo woo. I tried.